Talking about the theme that we have today, the female economy. Do you know that 47% of small businesses in South Africa are women? Women-owned businesses contribute 30% of the South African GDP, and 70% of women-owned businesses operate in the informal sector. I trust myself and my abilities to lead my business. I am capable and competent in all that I do. I am worthy of achieving my goals and living my dream. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. My business is a reflection of my passion and dedication.
We're very happy to empower Basadi. In all honesty, we are happy as Chi to empower small businesses.
First of all, you need to ask yourself as a business, do you even understand the audience that you are serving?
I'm Tumelo Lakolwani. My name is Ntavisembaloy.
My name is Khobe Johanna.
My name is Mati Matusaro.
My name is Petri Nyamasinya.
Women have the opportunity to unlock value. Women as an opportunity, to create value for business and help businesses make money. And you can only do this by deliberately serving women as a value generating segment. So one of the things that I'm going to ask you as a business entrepreneur is ask yourself, what are the known facts about women that can create opportunities for your business?
They started telling me about compliance, that are your products tested, are they SABS approved? So they were not. But then luckily with the collaborations and the other entrepreneurs that I got from the WhatsApp group, YAT, you can actually get a grant from CEDA. That's where you can take your products. They can give you a grant for you to test your products.
Before I started the Nagedi Poultry, I did the market research, which it only helped me to initiate my business. But however, after I started, there were so many unexpected challenges. After I realized that now we are here, I saw a dream that I'm going to be a millionaire in a year, but it didn't happen like that.
But on that journey, there are mistakes that we make as entrepreneurs. Some of the really horrible bad habits that we adopt as small businesses, and we only catch a wake up when we have an opportunity to be funded. What are those bad habits that as entrepreneurs we need to let go of? Because we have that growth mindset.
The truth is, with everything that we do, we cannot ignore where we come from. So our historical background of where we come from plays a role in some of the mistakes that we still even do today. Because the reality of it is, when you come into a township, utlakasi and so forth, if you just look at and observe and analyze the lifestyle on its own, you can see that this is a black child responding to trauma. And the sad part about it is we don't necessarily even have the necessary tools and systems. And even talking about that, we don't know how to access those particular systems or tools in terms of healing.
Ready to hear who is the winner for the pitch? Please, let's show love and applaud. Princess Ntavisembaloy!
Thank you. I'm going to build that big chicken house now. Thank you.